So, are you looking for a nice cam to use during your live streams or maybe recording some videos using your ring light and also a nice webcam? Then stay tuned, because here on Zachary's 3D Prints, I'll show you a very nice Logitech Streamcam that you can also use during your live streams or recording some videos. Hello, this is Zachary. In this video, I'm going to show you the footage of the Logitech Streamcam. Well, this Streamcam or this webcam is a USB Type-C camera, and so on my MacBook Pro I already have two USB Type-C connectors already occupied, so I couldn't use that. For that I need to have an adapter USB Type-C to USB Type-A connector. Somebody pointed it out to me to use an adapter. Thank you Tactile 3D Picture for pointing that out. Now I have my DSLR ready to use to shoot some other footage and not using it as a webcam during my live streams, or maybe also recording videos like the video that I made for the loading filament into your 3D printer, and not using my iPhone to make footage with that one. So the Logitech Streamcam is a very nice webcam when it comes to live streaming, and also the footage that you will get out of it is very crisp and clear. Like mentioned, it has a USB Type-C connector. If you have already occupied all of your USB Type-C connectors on something like your MacBook Pro, then you need to have an adapter. An adapter USB-C to USB Type-A male. Those are not so expensive and you can use them as well. Make sure that you are choosing the USB 3.1 for getting the best data transfer between your webcam and your computer, Mac or PC. This webcam costs around the $100. If you also want one of these cameras, you will find them everywhere in every web shop. Make sure to order also a USB Type-C to USB Type-A male adapter, making sure that you can connect it on your MacBook, on your laptop or PC or whatever device you are using to record streams or record videos for tutorials on YouTube or other places as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, make sure to subscribe to Zachary 3D Prints.